So this Pioneer TV, it has a flashing light. So let's count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there is an 8 blinking with no picture. So the relays go on, then it goes off with no picture, no sound. And for this 8 blinking issue, we're gonna check so we're gonna check 3 regulators, like I'm gonna show you in the schematics. This one here is a 1.8 volt output regulator. The input is a 3.3. This regulator here is the input is a 6 volt. The output is a 5 volt. I think it's a 6.6 or 6.5, but the output is a 5 volt. This regulator here is the input is a 12 volt. The output is a 8 volt. So let's test these regulators. So we have the multimeter, the block in the ground. Then we're gonna need to do it quick. Like when we plug the power, the TV is gonna go on, then it's gonna go off in about like 2-3 seconds. So here we have that 1.8 volt. So let me try again. So I am gonna unplug it, and you can see the output. This point is here. Right here. The input is the second one. The output is the pin number 4. So here I plug it. We have 1.8 volt. This one here, the output is the pin number 2, right over there, and we're gonna check it too. I'm gonna check this one here. Here we have 8 volt. That regulator over there in the bottom is giving output 8 volt. So now this regulator here, this one here, we see if it's so I'm gonna unplug it, and quick 0. So over there is 0. The output is 0. So let's check if the output is shorted. So let's put the multimeter in the diode mode. There is no short. So basically is the regulator is boot. Let's check the input of the regulator. The input it should be like I think 6.5 volt or 6.6. Here 6.5. So there is 6.5, but there is no output. This is the schematic, and here in the main board we have these 3 regulators. Is a 1.8 volt, and one is a 5 volt, and the other one is a 8 volt. So the first one, the input is a 3.4, and the output is a 1.8. The second one is a 6.5 volt, and the output is a 5 volt. The third one is the input is a 12 volt, the output is plus 8 volt. The medium one, when I check all of them, I check the first one, there is the input 3.4 and the output is a 1.8. This one here, I have the input 6.5 volt, the output is 0, and this one, the input is 12 volt, the output is a 8 volt. So we need the source of the 5 volt. I do have this DC to DC switching power supply. So I give it 6.6 volt, and I adjust the output voltage from this screw. And here we have the output is a 5 volt. The negative side is gonna go to the ground. Then the input of the regulator is gonna go here. The output is gonna go here, and we see if that's gonna fix the problem. So this side is the input, the red and black, and this is the ground. And the output is, we need just the one wire. The other wire is already the ground. So that's you can see the black one is going to the ground, and the top of the regulator. This one here is going to the red one is going, input is going to that point over there, and the output to the output. So I plug it to the power. Let me push the, so we hear the TV is on. You can see that one is on. Let me test the output voltage here. We have 5 volt over there. So the output is good. I didn't hear the TV goes off. Oh, you can see now the light is a solid blue. Still nothing on the screen. Oh yeah, there is the volume. So you can see here the channels. Right? Yeah, you can see it over there. So this is what was wrong with this TV. So now this TV is fixed. I did see some videos mention this regulator here, the 5 volt regulator, but so this time is this regulator is bad. So yeah, the board is cold, it's not hot at all. Yeah, so I'm just test it with this one. I'm gonna order that regulator. It's about $10 on eBay, and I'm gonna install it. This TV should be ready to go. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and see you next one.